Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to transfer files between iPhone and Pixel smartphones without using any third-party apps. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the left side you can see my iPhone devices and on the right side you can see my Pixel smartphones. So here, say firstly on your Pixel smartphone, just swipe down the notification toggle and just enable the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth, and just enable the quick share option also here. And likewise on your iPhone smartphone, just swipe down the control center and now just turn on the Wi-Fi as well as the Bluetooth, and after that just tap and hold on this airdrop option and just set it to everyone for 10 minutes. So after enabling everything on iPhone as well as your Pixel smartphone, say I want to send a file from the Pixel to iPhone. So for example, let me open the Photos application and now let me select this photo and now just click on the share option. Now just click on this quick share option. So now you can see here below, you can see it automatically gets detect my iPhone smartphones. So just select it. So finally the file has been sent. I can minimize it. Now let us check on my iPhone whether the file has been received or not. So let me click on this photos. Now you can see here, finally we have received the file. So it's working perfectly. So similarly, if you want to send from your iPhone to your Pixel smartphone, just select the respective file and click on the share option. And now let's click on this more and just select this airdrop option and just select this receive option on your Pixel smartphone. So now you can see here on the iPhone smartphone, the Pixel smartphone is showing up. Just click on it. So now you can see it's asking to accept. Just click on accept on your Pixel smartphone. Finally, you can see we have received the file on our Pixel smartphone, which is being sent from our iPhone smartphone. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily transfer files between iPhone and Pixel smartphones without using any third-party apps very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.